children, a very good morning. Welcome back again. Children, today also we will learn about short I sound. So, let's begin. B, E, B, babe. H, E, D, hide. K, E, D, kid. D, E, G, dig. P, E, G, pig. B, E, N, bin. F, E, N, fin. S, E, X, six. Now children, all of you get ready with your literacy workbook. We will do our practice work. All are ready with the literacy workbook? So all of you take out page number 4646. So here we have to write the CW and today's date. So today also we will continue with short I sound. Write the name of the picture from the help box. So this is the help box. So first we will read the help box, okay? Zip, sit, pin, hill, win, lips, dig, six, bib. Now look at the pictures. Pin, hill, lips, six, sit, zip, dig, bib, win. Okay, so the first one is pin. So we will cross the pin and we will write here pin. Okay, so like this, what is this? Hill, cross the hill and we will write here hill. This one, lips. So like this, we complete the rest of it. Okay, now take out the next page. This page 47. So here also you have to write CW and today's date. Okay, this is also same topic, short I sound. So first we will read the words, then we have to find the rhyming word and we have to cross. Okay, big, tin, dig, tan. So last ending sound same, cross it. Dog, sad, lit, fit. So same, cross. Jam, map, rip, nip, rip and nip. So like this, the last one, rip, caught, bib, dip, IB, cross. Okay, so now all of you check out the next page, page number 4848. So here also you have to write CW and today's date. Look and name the picture, color the one that has I sound. So what is this? Leaf, L-E-A-F. What is this? Bib, B-I-B, bib. So where is the I sound? Yes, bib. So we have to color this picture. Nicely, slowly, and with your own favorite color, you color it, okay?
So like this you color it. Children, complete the pages and submit me today between 7 to 8.
So that's all for today, children. We'll see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.